Welcome to DevRoute. I am Myra, and today in the series of HTML for the beginners, we are going to talk about semantic elements. Semantic elements are those elements which provide information. These elements are not used for presentation purpose. Semantic element make your code readable, easily readable by human and by machine, like search engine optimizer. So this is my HTML file. Inside my HTML file, I place some headings. I use some links. Inside links, I place some anchor tag for navigation purpose. Then I have some paragraphs, and then I just again have some list and a paragraph. So all these elements are those elements we already discussed before. So let's start with semantic element. The first semantic element we are going to talk about is a header element. Inside a header element, you must place your heading, your logo, and your navigation. So I am going to place my heading, my website heading. I do not have any logo. If I have a logo, I should place inside a header element. Then I have a navigation in a form of list. So I am closing my header element over here. Let me reformat my code by using Alt Shift F. Another semantic element is a navigation element that comes inside a header element. So I have a navigation list. This is my navigation list. So I am using navigation element, NAV element. Inside my navigation element, I should provide my navigation list. So this is my navigation list. Okay, another semantic element we are talking about is the main element. What is the main element? Main element is used to, inside main element you have to provide your main contents. So my main contents are my about us information and my latest news informations. So I am closing my main element over here. So you see, in my main content I have two different type of information. One is about us and second is latest news. So these two information are separate from each other. To separate each session, we have a semantic element called section. So I am creating a section for my about us. I have a section element. So I have a section for about us. Then I am going to have a section of latest news. So these are two different section I have. Okay. Another element we are going to talk about is a site element. What is a site element? Inside a site element, you have to place your site menus. So these are my site menus here. I have to place inside a site element. And the last element we are going to discuss is about footer. Inside the footer element, you must place all your footer information like your copyright, your company address. If you want to place quick links, you can place over there inside a footer element. So let's run our code. You can see we use many semantic elements like headers, like side, aside, and like footer, but these element does not have any presentational impact on your website. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more insight on the fascinating world of technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.